Hello and welcome to Ian's Music Room. I hope you're all doing well. Things have been pretty busy around here. I've recently moved house, set up a brand new music room, and I've been pouring all my energy into an exciting new project called Music for Middle-earth. You might guess from this that my favourite books are J.R.R. Tolkien's The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings. The films are fantastic, but for me, the books have always held a special place in my heart. In these books, Tolkien included some beautiful poems and song lyrics, and for as long as I can remember, I've wanted to bring these words to life through my music. This is no small task. Setting all the poems and lyrics from these books to music is a huge challenge, and it's going to take a long time to fully complete. But I'm thrilled to say I finished setting all the songs from The Hobbit to music, and I'm ready to start sharing them with you on YouTube. To keep things focused, I've decided to create a new YouTube channel dedicated solely to music for Middle-earth, and the link is in the description below. If this sounds like something you'll enjoy, I'd love for you to join me on this journey over at Music for Middle-earth. See you there. 7